Hello and welcome to the Content Villain tutorial page. Here you will find hints, tips, videos and a bunch of other stuff to help you navigate Content Villain to its full potential. You'll find how to navigate the menu, how to find certain things within Content Villain, how to make use of the webhook feature, and how you can send data to Zapier, Integromat and other services. And we'll also be adding information here on how to use the API effectively when we get that out the door. So stay tuned, enjoy the videos below, and if you have any feedback, I'd love to hear it. We want to make this as easy as possible for you to use the product so you can fall in love with it and make Content Villain part of your tech stack, because Content Villain is your partner in crime for great content online. Thank you.